Hi, my name is Barira Salman and I'm from Del Sol School PCHS campus. Today we are going to Bahari Adventureland for field trip.
Hi, my name is Mina Mudassir and I'm from Del Sol School. The difference between our school, Del Sol, and other schools is that they take us out on excursions and introduce us to new opportunities. At least twice a year, we go out on field trips like these. They introduce us to new opportunities to look around and explore the world and interact with new people.
My name is Sanya Mudassir and I'm from Del Sol School PCHS campus grade 10. Today we're going to the field trip of Bahari Adventureland and I've been waiting for this moment and we seniors have been waiting for this moment since the past year and we're really excited and we're just about to depart from our school. So let's just hope for the best.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون.
क्या मसला